Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Living Flavors with Sunitha. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make prawn tandoori jinga. I recently had this recipe in a restaurant and I wanted to try it at home. And trust me, I was so happy recreating this recipe. It was so yummy and I'm very happy to share this recipe with you all. It's a very simple one. Come on, let's get started. For this recipe, I have taken 10 tiger prawns, deveined it and I have butterflied it. So wash it thoroughly. I used a pinch of turmeric powder and lemon juice to clean it. For the marination, I have taken 4 tablespoons of thick curd. To this, I am going to grate 1 inch of ginger. Along with this, I am also going to grate 2 cloves of garlic, half a teaspoon of roasted cumin powder, salt as required, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of chilli powder, juice of half a lemon, half a teaspoon of garam masala. Mix all these well. Now let's add these prawns to the masala and mix them well. Let this marinate for 20 to 30 minutes. And now it's time to grill the prawns. I'm going to use butter today. You can also use refined oil. Now I'm going to cook these prawns for just 2 minutes on each side. Wow, I wish you could smell this. Now it's time to flip. It's been exactly 4 minutes. Now it's time to remove these prawns from the pan. And now to give a smoky flavor to our prawns, I'm going to heat the charcoal here. Once it is hot, place it over the prawns. Add a teaspoon of oil or butter on top of it. Close it with a lid and place a weight on it and let it be for 30 seconds. It's time to plate. I have used mint sauce and also prawn sauce to plate. I have some grilled vegetables here, so I'm going to place them as well. And you saw how easy it was to make this recipe, right? It requires only very few ingredients and also we can make this in 5 or 10 minutes max, excluding the marination time. Definitely give this a try. You will never be disappointed. I loved making this recipe. It was so yummy. I paid around 350 rupees, I believe, in the restaurant when I had it. It was so yummy. But when we make it at home, it is cost effective and we feel very satisfied at the end of the process. Definitely give this a try. I would highly suggest you to try this. Please try and share your valuable feedback in the comment section below. And if you like this video, do give a huge thumbs up and support me. It really means a lot to me. Thank you all so much for all your love and support. You have been subscribing and supporting me throughout this journey. Thank you so much for that. See you guys next time with another interesting recipe or another interesting video. Until then, take care. Bye.